Okay, today this video is about these pans that my husband got for me for Christmas. They call T-fal. They aluminum non-stick pans. Non-stick quality and easy to clean. Dishwasher safe. And I got two pans with it and a 9.5 inches and 11 inches pan set. And I'm gonna open it to show you how it looks. And it's called T-fal. Let me get some scissors right quick so I can open it. Okay, this how the first pan look. It's red at the bottom. You got a nice handle, I like it. Oh, it got the name on there, T-fal too, on there. Then it got it on the back of it too. And here's the bigger pans. It's supposed to be, it's aluminum, non-stick pans. Can't wait to try it. I'll be making a video how it works and if it's actually really non-stick. And it's called T-fal pans. I got two of them that came with it. And this is how it look. And put the pans right beside each other, side by side. Okay, hope you like this video. And I'll be giving y'all an update on these pots.